Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, January 22nd, and we have an interesting morning brewing here. So the S&P ETF, the spiders, we gapped down this morning, filled that gap almost to the penny. You can see this 111.63 mark that was in here from before. Made a nice little symmetrical triangle, sold off, broke the 111 mark, all the way down to a low of 110.55, at least on the S&P 500 ETF. So nice swing low. I'll show you on a higher time frame where that matches up with. Rallied nicely all the way back up. Made an equal swing high with the day's high, and at one point I've been brewing a very nice ascending triangle through here, again at this 111.60 mark. We've pulled back subsequently to support at this higher swing low. A really nice cup and handle again brewing through here, and now we're starting to consolidate. When I look through this and on a higher time frame, I have to go out all the way to here before I can find that low. That's a perfect gap fill, or the beginning of the first part of that gap fill at this level. Not shocking that we also held at 111.50 for a while. Broke that, and we were using that as resistance to fine-tune it. The 111.60 mark is even more relevant, but when you're not there, it's better to keep half-round numbers in my opinion. But 111.50/60 area, good resistance on the way back up now. Nice support here, now tested, however, at the 110.70, 1 full point below the highs of today. Very interesting to see those numbers run out. Next logical support to me, if we fail this, is 110.20/110 mark. This perfect gap fill, and then the round number of 110. On the way back up, we can zoom in, and again, this whole thing is relevant. Again, this 112.20 mark, which was support for so long, got tested through, and then on the way up, 113 area. So clean these up a little bit. But those are good support and resistance areas going into the market. The bank, BNK, is doing nicely. Good move up, better than a 100% gap fill here. Went right back up to this previous resistance. Came all the way back down, just got slammed, but then also started working its way higher. And now we've actually produced a nice high, but not quite to the high of the day so far. So we're taking that into note consideration. The trend, interesting also, has been, whereas it was fairly high yesterday, has bled out beautifully even below the 0.8 level, while now the trend Q is around 1.8. So we've switched now. There's a divergence in an opposite way. The VIX, a good tiebreaker again, has run higher this morning. Very nice breakout here, and then pulled all the way back out to this previous level of resistance once broken. So really nice run up, good consolidation. We can fine tune that now. I would use that 22.75 as an area of support, and move this up to the round number of 24 with one test up here. On a higher time frame, that swing high actually matches perfectly with another swing high intraday here. So on a daily chart, it's right here on this day. Let me OK that and zoom out. There it is. So beautiful run up. I'm a little surprised actually that it did not hold here at the 23 mark. That was a great line. Support, support, breaks, becomes resistant. I would have dropped that in had I not seen it just run completely through it. Really interesting to see that technical area fail there. But 24 is still relevant, and I would be looking at 23 more intraday here. So good to have that line in our camp. It's just a little shy of 23 at 22.75. So there you go. Good run around the markets. Hopefully you can use that information as a way to gauge your desire to go long or short, especially in relative strength or weakness stocks. I would wait personally for a resolution above 111.60, or at least below 111 again, as a good gauge on the broad markets. So good stuff, everybody. It's been nice working with you this week. Just awesome. Thanks for your comments. D7, I know, appreciates it as well, and he'll be with you this afternoon. Talk to you in a little bit.